Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can pivot data in Power Query. So let's get started. First of all, what is pivoting? Let's quickly glance at what I mean by pivoting data. Here's my data source. I have months, products, and their values. Now I want to create a cross-tabulated presentation of this data, where the months become columns and the products become rows showing the corresponding values. Now let's see how we can do it in Power Query. I have already loaded my data table in Power BI. Now I'm going to open Power Query. Once the Power Query opens, you have to go to the Transformation tab, and here you are going to select Pivot Column. Now you have to select the column you want to create columns from. For example, I want columns for January, February and March, which are my months. So I select the month column. Now, next you want to specify what do you want to see in the values. In this case, I see my values column and set the aggregation to do not aggregate, which is under the advanced options. Here I am going to select don't aggregate. If you don't want any aggregation, you are going to go with this selection. After that, the remaining columns like the product column will automatically occupy the rows of pivot table. Click OK and here you go. Your pivot table is ready. Also, if there are multiple entries for the same month and product combination, you will get an error unless you choose an aggregation method like sum. Since we chose not to aggregate, this error will occur if there are duplicates. So this was it for this tutorial. I hope you found it useful. See you in the next video.